developer from Huawei India Research Center. Today, I am going to explain about HMS Scene Kit 2D Fluid Simulation. The 2D Fluid Simulation SDK comprises a comprehensive set of highly scalable fluid simulation APIs, using which you can create fluid particles to simulate liquid sloshing. Let's discuss the classes in the 2D Fluid Simulation SDK. First, Scene Kit Fluid. It is a global singleton class which is used for initialization and global configuration. Next, World. The class consists of rigid bodies and particles to simulate the physical world. Next, Particle System. The class describes the physical coefficients of particles such as radius, viscosity, and elasticity. Particles can be added and deleted. Last one, Body. The class sets the rigid body shape such as circle and rectangle. Now, let's get coding.
Open Huawei developer website, go to console app gallery, connect, open my apps. Click on new app, enter the relevant information.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app.
Add to project.
Add or delete button to increase
Go to my projects, manually enter the package name and save.
You can rotate the phone and
enable the
changes.
data processing location and set it as default value.
Create fluid dynamics wallpapers for phones. Well, that's all for today's
Add the
episode.
SHA-256 certificate fingerprint for your application.
In the comment section below or visit
download agconnectservices.json file.
And be sure to hit the subscribe button.
Here,
Thanks
using
for
Android
watching.
Studio Arctic Fox version. Open your Android application. Add agconnectservices.json file under app directory. Verify the package name that was mentioned in app gallery. Open project level build.gradle file. Add the Maven URL inside build script repositories. Add the class path inside the dependencies section. Open settings.gradle file. Add the Maven URL inside the repositories. Open application level build.gradle file. Add the App Gallery Connect plugin configuration. Add the latest version of 2D Fluid Simulation libraries under the Dependencies section. You can see two activities, main activity and demo activity. Main activity is used for initializing the Scene Kit Fluid class. Demo activity is used for holding the rendering view and displaying the final rendering effects. Add the initialization flag and initialization method to main activity. In the initialization method, use the asynchronous API to initialize the Scene Kit Fluid class. Override the onActivityResult method of main activity to process the update result. Initialize the gravity sensor. The class implements sensor event listener and override the methods onSensorChanged and onAccuracyChanged. Initialize the renderer. Here, calling the methods resetWorld, resetBorder and resetParticle. Let's say reset world. It creates a world and creates a particle system. Next, reset border. It creates borders top, bottom, left and right to constrain the motion range of fluid particles. Next, reset particle. It creates a fluid particle group to stimulate the fluid sloshing effect. Initialize main view. Start rendering. Calling add water method to increase the water volume. Calling delete water method to decrease the water volume.
Let's try it out. To do that, open newly installed app. You can use add or delete button to increase or decrease the water volume. Also, can rotate the phone and see the changes. The API helps to create fluid dynamics wallpapers for phones. Well, that's all for today's episode. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section below or visit Huawei developer website. And be sure to hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching.